from northern Wisconsin, so I like to sleep cool. My husband Carl's the devil, so he likes to sleep hot.
Oh, I'm not the devil, babe. I'm a devil.
But you're my devil. Who's my devil?
I'm your devil.
Still, we fight a lot because I get too hot and Carl gets too cold. So either we fight over the thermostat or I have to cast him out to the couch.
Carl!
Laura.
Get me to the couch!
Even if you're not married to the spawn of Satan, over half of couples disagree on bedroom sleep temperature. I've tried everything. Bedroom fans just dry out my eyes without cooling me under the covers, and most mattresses get me hot and sweaty. Some companies paint them blue and call it cooling technology, but those guys are just Carl's marketing friends from hell.
Classic.
We spend a third of our lives in bed. Why can't it be comfortable? Introducing BedJet, the world's first rapid cooling and heating system just for your bed. With BedJet's patented air-driven technology, you can cool down or warm up on either side of the bed. Whether you like to sleep hot or cold, you can customize BedJet to your preferences. BedJet works instantly, and you can control it from your phone, tablet, or remote control. It's the kind of spooky witchcraft Carl goes crazy for.
Oh, how am I doing this?
Wow, Carl!
Babe, no, look.
Yeah, I see it. It's a lifesaver. Before we got our BedJet, we were this close to splitting up.
What?
Oh, from our old bed.
Oh.
Because we'd be divorced. Only BedJet solves the real problem, humidity. Just like humidity makes weather feel hotter, humidity makes your bed feel hotter. And beds trap body humidity like a middle school locker room, making you feel hotter, unlike a middle school locker room. Luckily, the BedJet's quiet cooling system circulates fresh air between the sheets, instantly wicking away sweat. Just look at BedJet versus a cooling technology mattress. With BedJet, you can go from hot and steamy to cool and fresh in 30 seconds. Or if you get too cold, the BedJet circulates warm air everywhere, making your sheets feel toasty like they just came out of the dryer. In fact, BedJet heats your bed 10 times faster than an electric blanket.
I've died and gone to hell.
BedJet is the best solution for cold feet.
I still don't want a baby.
Not like that, Carl.
I'm not ready to be a dad.
And when the BedJet quietly streams air into the patented BedJet cloud sheet, you'll feel like you're literally sleeping in a cloud. Okay, maybe not literally. So if you care about sleep, which is why some people buy beds, click the link above to get a BedJet today. Cooling technology mattresses are like children. They cost thousands of dollars and hardly work. The BedJet costs a fraction of that price and always works.
Like stepchildren.
Plus, it's silky quiet and so sleek, it fits right under your bed. You won't even notice it's there.
Like stepchildren.
You're like a cat. And if you get night sweats, check out the sweat test. BedJet dries over 8 times more sweat than a cooling mattress. BedJet is the first device ever that's clinically proven to relieve bedtime symptoms of menopause, like poor sleep and hot flashes. Now the only hot flasher in this house is my husband. Put some pants on, Carl!
Why? It's Tuesday.
Is that when you think pants should come off? Whether you want a BedJet alone or with a partner. Every BedJet comes with a no-sweat guarantee. Try it risk-free for 60 days. Free shipping. If you don't love it, send it back for a full refund and free return shipping. It's pure heaven. Not again! It's a metaphor, Carl! Carl, it's a metaphor! Get down! No! It's fine. We're fine. Thanks to BedJet, Carl and I are getting a full night's sleep and a full day's living. BedJet is the highest rated mattress product on Amazon, with 89% of customers giving it 5 stars.
The other 11% are from hell.
So buy a BedJet today.
Or steal one for free.
Do not steal one.
You could, though.
Just buy one.
A lot of good ideas.
That's literally the opposite of a good idea.
Well, time will tell.
Time has told. It's called the prison system.
It's a good way to go.
We don't agree on a moral level. Stop looking for a better mattress. Make your mattress better with BedJet. Just click the link, okay?